I'm a third-year music student at Oriel College. I'm in my final year at the moment, and I really enjoy what I do. One of my main goals in the Brightwings course was to expand my connections, and the progress that I've made follow that was going to the niche areas of the musical developments and performances in the Oxford scene. So I realized that the scene for Chinese music isn't as vibrant compared to the traditional Austro-German Western canon that you get in Oxford. So what I've done is that I've been recently in touch with another Chinese student in Oxford, and she's very much interested in leading traditional Chinese orchestras. So what we have done is that she combined with her connections through the Chinese orchestra and my abilities as a music director, we would like to set up a concert where we'll be presenting both Chinese repertoire as well as traditional Western repertoire.